Welcome sa zipline.com. In this video, tutuloy natin yung ating series on laws of exponents. No? So kung sinusundan nyo itong series natin, na-discuss natin itong mga laws na to, and in this video, ang gagawin natin is to simplify this expression, to multiply these two rational expressions using these laws. No? So let's start. Ano ang kaya pinakaunahin natin? Yung x to the 0, no? So ito yun. Any expression raised to 0 is equal to 1. So magiging 4 times 1 na yan, di ba? 4 times 1 over x to the 8th y. Then, ano napapansin nyo dito? Meron tayong fraction we raised to 2 to an exponent, no? So ito yan. Meron tayong fraction we raised to an exponent. Okay, so we have, anong ginawa natin dito? In-split natin siya, di ba? So yung numerator, i-raise natin to this exponent, and the denominator, we also raise to this exponent. So, split natin yan. We have x cubed squared, no? And then we have 2y to the 4th squared also. Okay, so 4 times 1 is 4. Oh, sorry, cubed pala to. Cubed. This is cubed. So 4 x to the 8th y cubed times, meron kang expression, you raise to an exponent, and then you again raise to another exponent. So ito yan, di ba? Itong part na to. Tapos na pala tayo dito. So, anong ginagawa natin dito? Minumultiply natin yung exponent, no? Mn or m times n. Ibig sabihin, the numerator becomes x raised to 3 times 2 or x raised to 6, no? Anong din dito? Magiging, saan naman to? If we have more than one variable, or if we have a variable and a constant, no? We distribute the exponent, no? So, magiging 2 squared times y to the 4th squared, no? So, pareho natin silang niraise squared using this law, no? Which is equal to, this one stays the same, x to the 8th y cubed times x to the 6th over 4 y to the 8th, no? Okay, na-simplify na natin lahat. Anong usually ginagawa natin? Pinagsasama natin yung mga numbers, and then we also combine yung mga same variables, no? So, we have 4 over 4. Actually, pwede na tayo mag-cancel dyan, but we will not use cancellation. Yung x to the 6, anong kapares niya? X to the 8, no? So, by the way, hindi nyo siya pwedeng ilipat, ha? Pag nasa numerator siya, dapat yung pag i-rearrange kayo, nasa numerator pa rin. Kaya ito, x to the 6, hindi siya pwedeng maging sa denominator. Yung y cubed tsaka yung y to the 8 nasa denominator. So, this is y cubed times y to the 8th. So, pag ganyan, pag wala tayong numerator, times, iwawan lang natin yan. No? Kasi 4 times x to the 6 times 1 is 4x to the 6. And remember, yung original value natin, yung original expression natin ay 4 times x to the 6. So, hindi natin siya binago. No? Next, we simplify. 4 over 4 is 1. And then x to the 6th over x to the 8 is x to the 6 minus 8. And then times 1 over, anong law ito? Diba this is the law number, yung pangalawa natin, no? If we have a division of expression with the same base and an exponent, we subtract the exponent. So, nag-6 minus 8 tayo dito. And ito, kopyahin natin. Pero meron tayong y cubed times y to the 8th. Ito yan, di ba? Yung part na to. Ang ginagawa natin sa exponent, ina-add natin. So, y to the 11th. So, this is equal to 1. Wala na yung 1 kasi 1 times any expression is equal to the expression. Ito na lang. What is x to the 6 minus 8? This is x to the negative 2 and 1 over y to the 11. No? Using this law, anong ginagawa natin pag may negative exponent? Anong ginagawa natin pag may negative exponent? No? Anong ginagawa natin pag negative exponent? So, magiging 1. Ito, no? Binababa natin siya and then we make the exponent positive. So, 1 over x squared. So, ito na siya. Binaba na natin siya sa numerator. And then, times 1 over y to the 11th. Which is equal to 1 over x squared y to the 11th. So, yun yung pinakasagot natin. Isang ano na lang siya. Okay? Isang rational expression na lang. Okay, sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to. I think this is it. This is our last video dito sa series natin on laws of exponents. No? Gusto ko kayong imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Panoorin niyo yung mga series natin. No? Panoorin niyo yung mga how-to tutorials natin. Gusto ko kayong invite sa ating Facebook page. Kung nasa YouTube kayo, nasa ibaba yan. Yung link nasa ibaba. At sa ating website, sipnayan.com. Nasa baba rin yan yung link. And of course, in-invite ko rin kayo na mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.